Hi, and welcome to your laboratory. This is where you will set up your experiment. But first, let me give you a brief guided tour. Before you start your experiment, you have to complete two main tasks. First, you need to set up your aquariums, including selecting which species to test and under what conditions. Second, you need to decide which parameter your technician will measure. As you know, you can carry out your experiment because you've received a fund of 450 credits. However, you don't have enough credit or space to test everything, so spend your credits wisely. Remember that each aquarium costs 5 credits, and each measurement will cost between 1 and 3 credits per day. Now, let me show you how to set your experiment up. First, you have to install your aquariums on the shelves. To add an aquarium, click on the aquarium icon at the bottom of the screen. Note that your shelves can hold a maximum of 15 aquariums. Once the aquarium is on the shelf, you can then click on it to select the pH and the temperature. You can also select the species you want to test and whether you want your technician to add food or not. If you're happy with the aquarium settings, you can either click OK, or if you want a replicate of these conditions, click on Duplicate and a copy will appear on the shelf. If you change your mind and want to get rid of an aquarium, just click Delete. You can also click on an already set up aquarium if you wish to change the settings. Now I will add few more aquariums. When you're happy with all the aquariums, it's time to fill in your experiment schedule. So click on the Schedule button at the bottom of the screen. As an example, if you want to measure larval density in all your aquariums on the first 3 days of your experiment, click on the blue boxes below the numbers 1, 2, 3. Remember that it's possible to measure several parameters on the same day. You can see that while you are adding measurement, your available credit decreases. When you're done with your schedule, or if you want to go back and change your aquarium settings, click the OK button. You can then navigate back and forth between the lab and the schedule. When your aquarium and your schedule are both ready, you can then click the Finished button. However, when you do so, your experiment will be launched and you won't be able to modify either your aquariums or the measurements, so think carefully. When you do click on the Finish button, you will then see a speeded up view of what would happen in the different aquariums during the experiment, including whether they stay healthy for the full 30 days or if some of them crash. Now, you should be ready to start setting up your experiment. But if you are still unsure, just click on Instruction to watch this guided tour one more time. Good luck!